Hi friends, today is such a lovely day, such a lovely breeze, such a lovely stormy wind around me, and somehow I'm enjoying after the summer heat which we have just gone through 40 and 42 degrees. And today I feel like sharing something that we all don't respect the nature, the earth, how much resources we were been given to us, but we keep abusing. And what happens if this nature goes in excess? And anything in which is in excess is always not good. So today I'm coming up with this acronym excess. So whenever you feel like having any excess thoughts, any excess emotion, any excess irrational behaviors, check into yourself, and the acronym itself is the word excess. So EXCESS means E means to educate yourself to what is balance, what is the perfect balance, what is not excess and what is normal. X is X-ray your thoughts. We often have too many thoughts, rushing thoughts, killing thoughts, and we really, self-sabotage our growth because of those excessive thoughts. We keep worrying, we become anxious, we don't know how to talk to people, we don't know how to behave with people. So X-ray your thoughts. C is always make the right choices. Make sure that your choices are leading to the decisions and the results. Whatever desired outcome you are seeking, whatever reality you are seeking, all is only based on your choice. So make sure you made the best of the choice. Another E is to empower yourself. Things are going to go up and down, things are never going to be same, but we need to empower ourselves in any negative situation. So what do we need to do? Replace the negative thoughts with the positive. And S is for stillness. Our all Today I am realizing what is the power of Wi-Fi. If we don't have Wi-Fi, we can't connect to our internet, our people around us, do our work, activities, emails, all that. So we have our inbuilt Wi-Fi, and that is stillness. S for stillness. So what we need to do is meditate, talk to our divine powers every day, connect with them, get the messages, apply in your life. That is what. And another S is surrender. Surrender to God, because when nothing is in your control, it's only God who's going to take care. And make sure surrender with the faith. If you have the faith in divine, you will also have the trust in your own abilities, and that's how you will be the best in all the areas of your life. May it be relation, if you wish to enjoy fulfilling relation, and may it be your work where you want to be more confident and successful. So friends, enjoy this excess and do your best. Take care. This is Roop Lakhani, and I am a consultant, healer, coach, tarot reader, and karmic reader. You can always seek my services in case if you like this video, like and share too.